Hello guys, and I welcome all of you in this new video. So today I'm going to discuss on Vandal shop reviews, and let's find out that why it's gaining a lot of attention, especially in the United States. Before that, I request you that do like the video, share the video, and hit on the bell icon to subscribe to our channel so that we can bring much more informative videos each time. So guys, as you can see, this website is selling products like bags, and it also has some brushless combo kit. It has some gaming keyboard, and it also has some woman hot launch HL3 offset driver, etc. As you can see, the prices are too good to be true. This outdoor waterproof wireless Bluetooth speaker is just for $62.33. If you want to check out its mode of payment, you can just click on one of the product and you can find out the mode of payment. So here we have clicked on one of the product, and when you're going to add to the cart and you're clicking on to the add to the cart method and you proceed to check out, you're going to find the payment method. Here they have mentioned PayPal is the payment mode of method. Now let's find out its shipping policy. So guys, we need to scroll down, and here we can just find out the shipping policy. Let's find out whether they have. So they have written that they provide free shipping on all orders, and there is nothing as they are going to charge anything. And we can also click on shipping and return link to get a clear idea, and they have mentioned that in general they automatically select the most convenient shipping method to the target area, and the delivery time is about 15 days. So now let's proceed further and know more about its legitimacy checkpoints. So when we try to find out the HTTPS connection of Vandal, and we found that it belongs to a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Then on WHOIS, it was found that this website is registered on 26th of May 2020. Again, this is registered just 1 year ago, and we cannot expect much of traffic for this website. Now guys, let's find out its about us page. So let's see if they have any about us page. Here they have an about us page. Let's click and find out more about the company. So they have mentioned that their website address is over here, and they have not given any email ID in the about us page. They have just mentioned the phone number, that is 4082488817. Okay, now they have mentioned the email ID at the bottom, so I would like to correct myself. It is Jillian Delaney 108544540@gmail.com, and the address is 64 Belmore Street, RYDENSW 2112, which was not an authorized address when pasted on Google Map. Now let's see if they have any contact us page. Now guys, they have mentioned every detail of the contact only on the about us page. They do not have a separate link for contact us page. Let's find out it's any social media icon. So they do not have much of the likes and followers on Facebook, Twitter, Google, Instagram or Pinterest they have mentioned in the page, which is again a bad sign. Now when we try to check out the Vandal shop reviews on other search engines, we found that Vandal is given 23.8 rating out of 100 on the scam detector, and this is a very negative sign, and the shop has not shown any availability on the pages they have mentioned. There are no traffic. Moreover, now let's click on shipping and return section, and in this they have mentioned the shipping, and they have also mentioned refund, that they can initiate a refund within 24 hours. This is for the customer. Moreover, the PayPal is the only mode of payment for purchasing, which is also a negative sign. If you talk about the website content quality, it is very much basic, and there are a lot of things which are plagiarized and duplicated. Guys, on the basis of low website content quality, recent website registration, and low rating at the scam detector, and no customer reviews, I would like to say that for now, the people are not recommended to buy anything from here. And also, it is can be said that its trust rate is very low, so it seems to be a fraudulent one. And we need to be very much cautious because the scam detector warns the buyers to stay away from it. So what you will do, I will run this website eventually in the comment box. Also guys, do